Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to English class. Today we will study about use of if I do and if I did. Means that use of if in present and use of if in past means second form of verb. It is considered in the past but the meanings are clear in the present. Unit number 38 is based on it. Open up your course pack from page number 76 and I'll teach you about different conditions where we use this if I do. Means in Urdu you can say अगर हम ये करें तो क्या होगा, अगर हम ऐसे करें तो क्या होगा. I hope so you are quite clear about conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, there are the two clauses of the each sentence. There are the four types of conditionals: 0, 1, 2, and 3. It's some sort of the category. If I do and if I did come into the category, use of it is come into the category of first conditional, where we use first clause in present and second clause in future. Here is the same structures. If you say if I do, the second clause would be in um, future, and if you said first clause in second form of verb, the second clause must be in uh, past tense. Means if you use if I do, then you will say I will. If you say if I did, then you will say it would be. Okay. um, First of all, see the situation. Lisa, shall we go by bus or by train? Lisa is Lisa and Jess are discussing about traveling. So Lisa is asking to Jess, shall we go by bus or by train? Jess, if we go by bus, it will be cheaper. Here are two clauses used in one sentence. If we go by bus, go is the first form of the verb. It will be cheaper, तो ये हमें सस्ता पड़ेगा. For Jess, it's possible that they will go by bus. So he say if we go by bus it will be cheaper. अगर हम बस से गए तो हमें सस्ता पड़ेगा. ठीक है. It's come in the category of the first conditional, where the first clause is in present and the second clause is in future. This is the first conditions where you compare the situations. आप if I do बोलोगे तो उसके साथ आप will यूज़ करोगे. ठीक है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट और उसके साथ सिंपल फ्यूचर. पास्ट और उसके साथ पास्ट. लाइक डिड है तो आप वुड यूज़ करोगे, डू है तो आप विल यूज़ करोगे. कम इन टू द सेकेंड पोर्शन, द सेकेंड कंडीशन. इट इज़ व्हेन यू आर नॉट डिसाइडेड अबाउट व्हाट टू डू. ठीक है. जब आप नहीं अभी डिसाइड कर चुके कि क्या करना है, तो आप ये यूज़ करते हो कि आप फर्स्ट और फिर उसके बाद फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब एंड देन यू यूज़ द फ्यूचर. Afterwards, the situation is same but they have decided to do by the bus. Look at the second options. Joe, how are you going to travel? How are you going to travel? कैसे सफ़र करोगे? Just we are going by train. If we went by bus it would be cheaper but the train is quicker. Now they have decided that they have to go to by bus. That would be cheaper for them, but the train is quite quicker. So we use if we went by bus it would be cheaper. Went use किया तो साथ would use किया. Now just known that they are going to travel by bus, so he said in the same way. So if we went by bus it would be cheaper but the train is quicker. Now they are decided to go by bus. So if you have decided to do something, you must say in past and then the in future you will use would, and if you say in present you will use future, simple future. So when you want to do something, imagining something, तो फॉर्मूला ये है कि आप if के साथ जो है imagining, when you imagining something, okay, you will use if along with present, and you are imagining, you have decided something to do that if and along with past. The meaning and the structure is in the past, but the meaning is not in the past, okay. It's not in the past. If we went, it was in found, the if you found, etc., but the meaning is not in past. In this situation, the meanings are not in the past. What would you do if we won a lot of money? uh, it's a question, it's a situation. If there was an election tomorrow, we would go or vote in the same situation.